after 15 years, I was at home,
Mm-hmm.
behind the kids. Last 2 months, I don't know how it's like. Wonderful, actually, wonderful experience. We learned lot of things from you, lot of experience from other friends also, lot of ideas we got from other friends also. Even Anis, no, she taught, really, it's like a professor only. I love, uh, I loved this complete 2 month sessions. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your.
It's true. It was wonderful. Uh, and of course, ma'am, see, because I've been from a corporate world, so I was a little dicey if I would like it or not, because I, no doubt, I had an interest. But hota hai na, like you have to experience it before doing anything. But no doubt, 2 months I enjoyed thoroughly. So, and everyone says if you enjoy your work, you can do it for lifetime, and that's what I want to do. So I guess yes. I am really happy I took this course, because I was very much confused about which one to go for. If it is, will it be recognized or not? So all thanks to you, of course. You've been strict too. You've been very lenient too. But I think that's the way of being a teacher. I mean, you have to be that ways, so that we also keep on doing our stuff in the right manner. So thanks a lot. And no doubt, ma'am, all the mates that I had, they are all a wonderful people. We used to help each other, we used to talk, and I hope we still will be in contact.
Yes,
Because
yes.
I found everyone very, very nice.
And first of all, I really enjoyed the course, the 2 months. Initially, I was very tense, like could able to manage it or not. But now I got the confidence, I gained the confidence. And in the starting stage, I thought like you were really strict. But now, but that's okay. I really enjoyed the course, ma'am. I have come from an IT background. I have 10 years of experience, and from the past 1 year, I'm actually working at school. And I really don't have any support from my family. They were looking like whenever I go to the stationery and I get the things, I used to get a weird look. So finally, I really enjoyed it, ma'am.
Thank you for the wonderful session, ma'am. After delivery, I had resigned my job. I was in postpartum. So this was a wonderful opportunity that allowed me to connect with everyone. And I was not feeling lonely at all. Every week, I used to look forward to this Tuesday and Thursday, 3 to 6. It is like, a part of our life. We are going to miss it terribly. But now, talking about the classes, I was very, very happy, and I learned a lot of things like Volt and all was very useful for me. Then there was a numeracy lesson. It helped me, to look at things from a different point of view, out of box thinking, like what I was doing and what I could have done better. So, a lot of ideas, lot of brainstorming, and strategies from everyone, sharing of resources and ideas. So it was a wonderful time. I thank each every one of you. Thank you so much, Arti ma'am. Thank you.
Firstly, I would like to thank you all, and special thanks to Apri ma'am, because we got an opportunity to teach in a proper way. So I thought especially teaching is very easy, especially for children, younger one. But after joining this course, I got to know there is a so lot of is there to learn, and the method, the way we have to teach the kids. So, and your whatever we learned, and your feedback, everything is going definitely is going to help us in future, like using of teaching aids and how to present them, how to make it easy. This old session, send presentations, and Montessori teaching aids, definitely they are going to help us a lot, ma'am. I have all the presentation teaching aids, so that I can definitely I'm going to use it in my school also. This much effort I never put in my engineering and MTech also. That much effort we made for this 3 months, because as Suhasini told, we were feeling very much hectic. Like classes were good, but whenever presentation used to come home, how to make RP ma'am satisfied, so that is she okay for this? Is she tell good feedback or not? In that tension only we used to sit for the present. Based on your feedback only, we have made it like we have upgraded, man. Like your feedback were more valuable, ma'am. So that it made us to think differently. No, ma'am, RP ma'am will never satisfied for simple things. So we have to think differently. Then only ma'am will be happy. So always we'll be sitting to see your smile on your face after our presentation. Let whatever the grade may be, but when we'll see the smile on your face, that is the biggest grade we used to get, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Big thank you to Deepika ma'am and to you as well. Right after my master's, I joined this course, and I'm very bored of online classes. But this class is the first time I really sat for long 3 hours, and all 3 hours I put all in my concentration and listened to this class, to be honest, ma'am. Because past 2 to 3 years we had online classes, that is corona batch student, and now I really love online classes only because of, maybe because of you or this course as well. And I really love my friends, that is my peers. They were all very good to me, they helped me a lot, though I am little younger than, but still they helped me a lot. And thank you so much, ma'am. And I had a really great time with you and with all my friends. Thank you so much.